Carbide burrs are indispensable rotary tools in the realms of metalworking, woodworking, and precision fabrication, prized for their durability and versatility in cutting, grinding, and shaping materials. Crafted from tungsten carbide, these tools feature various shapes that dictate their performance, allowing craftsmen and professionals to tackle everything from straightforward deburring to intricate contouring. The choice of shape hinges on the geometry of the workpiece, the desired finish, and the material's hardness, making it essential to understand how each form interacts with different substrates. In this article, we delve into the most common carbide burr shapes: cylindrical, ball, flame, tree, cone, and oval, exploring their ideal uses through vivid, narrated examples that illustrate real-world applications. We'll also examine flute designs and their material interactions via conceptual static illustrations, concluding with practical tips for selection based on task complexity. The cylindrical carbide burr stands out as a foundational tool for straight cuts and flat surface work, characterized by its straight-sided, barrel-like profile that ensures even material removal across broad areas. This shape excels in tasks requiring precision and uniformity, such as leveling weld seams or deburring the interiors of slots and channels in metals like steel or aluminum. Imagine a fabricator in an automotive shop smoothing the flat edges of a welded bracket. The cylindrical burr glides steadily along the surface, its parallel flutes shearing away excess material in controlled passes, resulting in a clean, mirror-like finish without unintended rounding or chatter marks. This makes it ideal for high-volume production where consistency is paramount, as the tool's design minimizes vibration and promotes efficient chip evacuation, preventing buildup that could dull the cutting edges prematurely. For rounding and hollowing operations, the ball-shaped carbide burr, with its fully spherical form, offers unparalleled maneuverability in creating concave surfaces and smooth curves. This shape is particularly suited to engraving, carving grooves, or shaping organic contours in softer materials like wood or brass, where the rounded tip allows for fluid, non-abrasive contact. Consider a sculptor refining the hollow of a wooden bowl. The ball burr rolls effortlessly through the curved interior, removing wood fibers in a gentle, orbiting motion that preserves the natural grain while achieving a polished, ergonomic depth, much like a potter's tool, but with the precision of carbide for intricate detailing. Its ability to access rounded recesses without flat spots ensures even wear distribution, making it a go-to for artistic endeavors or prototyping where aesthetic flow is as important as functionality. When it comes to contours and blending, the flame-shaped carbide burr provides a tapered, elongated design that tapers to a fine, rounded point, mimicking the flicker of a flame for seamless transitions along curved edges. This shape shines in refining automotive body panels, blending welds into flowing lines, or shaping recesses in pipe fittings, where its slim profile follows complex radii without gouging adjacent surfaces. Picture a welder on a stainless steel exhaust manifold. The flame burr dances along the curved seams, its gradual taper allowing it to hug the pipe's natural bend, effortlessly feathering out imperfections into a smooth gradient that enhances both strength and appearance, all while maintaining heat dissipation to avoid warping the thin metal. This versatility makes flame burrs essential for tasks demanding ergonomic or aerodynamic finishes in industries like aerospace or custom fabrication. The tree-shaped carbide burr, available in pointed or rounded end variants, is engineered for navigating tight spaces and internal features, resembling a conical tree with a broad base narrowing to a precise tip. It thrives in slot finishing, chamfering sharp angles, or deburring intricate molds and die cavities, especially in aluminum castings where access is limited. A tree-shaped carbide burr excels at accessing tight grooves by following curved paths, as seen in a jeweler carving filigree details into a silver setting. The tool's tapered form slips into narrow channels, tracing the groove's arc with minimal lateral pressure, excavating residue and refining edges without nicking the surrounding delicate structures, thus preserving the piece's intricate beauty. This shape's adaptability to confined geometries reduces the need for multiple tool changes, streamlining workflows in precision engineering. Cone-shaped carbide burrs, with their straightforward tapered profile culminating in a sharp point, are tailored for chamfering and deburring at entry points, such as countersinking holes or refining joint intersections in harder metals like stainless steel. They provide controlled beveling that prevents cracking or stress concentrations, making them invaluable in aerospace or mechanical assembly. Envision an engineer preparing rivet holes in an aircraft panel. The cone burr aligns perfectly with the hole's edge, its angled sides methodically beveling the burr away in a single centered plunge, creating a uniform chamfer that ensures secure fastening while eliminating sharp hazards, all without distorting the thin sheet's integrity. This focused action highlights the cone's role in safety-critical applications, where precision edges can mean the difference between structural reliability and failure. Finally, the oval or egg-shaped carbide burr offers a gentle, elongated curve for blending and polishing uneven transitions, ideal for sculpting soft alloys like bronze or smoothing internal corners in artistic pieces. Its asymmetrical form allows for broad sweeps over convex areas and delicate touches in concave spots, reducing chatter and promoting a feathered finish. In the hands of a bronze caster finishing sculptural details, an oval burr flows over contours like a brushstroke, gently continuous and controlled, as it buffs away casting seams from flowing limbs or draped fabric textures, yielding a tactile smoothness that enhances the artwork's lifelike quality without aggressive material loss. This shape's forgiving nature suits fine finishing where over-removal could ruin subtle nuances. Beyond shapes, the flute designs of carbide burrs, the helical or straight grooves along the cutting surface, play a crucial role in how they interact with materials, influencing cut quality, heat generation, and debris management. Single-cut flutes, with their coarse, parallel ridges, are aggressive for rapid stock removal on hard metals like cast iron, producing larger chips that evacuate quickly but leave a rougher surface. In contrast, double-cut flutes cross at angles for finer shearing on alloys such as stainless steel, minimizing vibration and yielding smoother finishes with smaller, more manageable chips. Diamond-cut variants provide ultra-fine abrasion for brittle materials like ceramics or plastics, while aluminum-cut flutes feature wide spacing to prevent soft metal clogging. Static illustrations can vividly highlight these interactions. Envision a cross-sectional diagram of a single-cut cylindrical burr engaging steel, showing coarse chips spiraling outward amid sparks of friction, versus a double-cut ball burr on wood, where finer particles cascade evenly, illustrating reduced heat buildup and cleaner evacuation paths that extend tool life. Selecting the right carbide burr based on task complexity involves assessing the workpiece's geometry, material hardness, and desired outcome. For simple linear tasks like flat deburring on steel, opt for a cylindrical burr with single-cut flutes to prioritize speed and efficiency, as its straightforward profile handles low-complexity jobs without finesse demands. As complexity rises with concave detailing on wood or brass, a ball-shaped double-cut burr becomes ideal, offering control in moderate scenarios where curvature requires balanced removal. For high-complexity contour blending on stainless steel, the flame shape with double cuts excels, navigating fluid lines while managing heat in intricate assemblies. Tight cavity work in aluminum castings calls for a tree burr's single-cut aggression to conquer confined spaces without compromise, whereas hole chamfering on metals favors the cone's precision for safety-focused middling tasks. Artistic shaping in bronze, at peak complexity, benefits from an oval diamond-cut burr for nuanced, vibration-free refinement. Always consider RPM compatibility, slower speeds for fine work to avoid overheating, and pair with appropriate coolant for prolonged durability, ensuring your selection aligns with both immediate needs and long-term productivity. In mastering carbide burrs, the synergy of shape, flute, and technique transforms raw potential into professional results, whether in a bustling workshop or a solo studio. By matching tools to task intricacies, users not only achieve superior finishes, but also safeguard equipment, fostering efficiency across diverse applications.